Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to set up BigBearCosmos. And this is third-party app store. A lot of people's been asking me to port BigBearCosmos to Cosmos Cloud, and this is my attempt at doing it. So this is a different way of setting up a app store. The developer of Cosmos Cloud went a different way, and it makes it where you can use GitHub Pages because it runs a workflow and it deploys to GitHub Pages, and then I can use like a custom domain like cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com, and I CNAME it to bigbeartechworld.github.io. And CNAME just means it's getting the IP addresses from that domain and then bringing them over and making them a record on cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com. And then if GitHub changes those IP addresses for any reason, then it will automatically update on cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com. So that's a really cool way of doing it. And today I'm going to show you how to get it set up. So let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So let's get back to registered programming. So quite a few people have been asking me to port BigBearCosmos over to Cosmos Cloud. So this is currently the start of it, BigBearCosmos. It's a third-party app store that's maintained by Big Bear Tech World and the Big Bear community. If you need help with it, you can go on the Big Bear community and put a post in. The app store URL is more custom, so it's cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com, and that's just a CNAME to the GitHub pages. Actually, this makes it to where you can serve all the JSON files that this workflow creates right here on that actual GitHub pages. And then I just added a custom URL onto it. How you install this app store is you go to Market, Sources, Add Source, and then you copy this app store URL right here. You put your name in, and then that URL that we just copied up here. The currently two apps that are currently supported are 2FAuth and Unified Network Application. I'll be adding more to it as time goes on. So let's get to setting up the app store in Cosmos Cloud. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now I'm going to start on my Cosmos Cloud. I'm going to go to Market, and then I'm going to go to Sources. I'm going to add source, and then I'm going to name it Big Bear Cosmos, and then I'm going to put the URL that I said in there, so it'll be https cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com, and then I'm going to press save. Now you'll notice that the tags are Big Bear Cosmos down here, so you can find all the apps supported in BigBearCosmos by looking at BigBearCosmos right here, and then it'll show you all the apps that are in there. It'll also show you at BigBearCosmos 2 right here, so that's pretty neat. I think the developer of Cosmos Cloud thought this through a lot, and I think he did a really good job of bringing third-party app stores inside of Cosmos Cloud. So that's how to get BigBearCosmos on Cosmos Cloud. So this cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com, it gets generated because this is a CNAME to the GitHub pages. So if you go up to Actions, and then you can see how the workflow runs, you can go into this one. You can see it deploys to cosmos.bigbeartechworld.com. And the artifacts down here of GitHub pages. The job builds the assets and uses the index.js right here to get all of it and then put it into .json files. And then this makes the App Store work because the Cosmos Cloud gets it from serve apps and artifacts and different things like that. And then Cosmos compose.json right here. It pushes it to the array, and then it finally puts everything together and makes it to where if you go to the actions over here, and then you can go to cosmos.bigbeartechworld, and then you can see that it's a JSON file that it created. You can go into the icon. You can see the icons here. So this makes it where Cosmos Cloud can see what everything's doing and import these apps in. And then you can go to serve apps right here, and then it shows just the apps that are in there. And then it shows all the apps right here. It shows the supported architectures, and it gets it all from the files over here. If I go backwards, go to serve apps, and then you go into auth, you go to Cosmos compose.json right here, and then here's the structure of the Docker Compose. You can go into description and see the description on the App Store. You can see the icon being used. You can see screenshots. There we go. So this gets put into the .json and then gets served over on GitHub pages. So hopefully I explained that good enough, and it's a pretty neat design. So I just explained how to get BigBearCosmos on Cosmos Cloud, and I hope you like it. And I'm going to be working on more apps, so stay tuned for that. I'll be making YouTube videos just like I do BigBearCosmos OS. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need community support, you can go down the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.